Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today, we are going to custom repaint the Iron Man Marvel Legends Model 20. Okay, first step is to apply Boston number 1-in-1 flat clear para this will serve as our primer so that our paints will stick to the surface of the action figure. Alright, and then next step, we are going to apply yung first layer of highlights using white and red na mixture. So magiging pink yung shade niya. I'm also using a flat brush para mas mas malawak yung real estate na mapipintahan natin per stroke. And also yung brush stroke na ginagawa ko dito, it's very gestural. Alright, for the next layer of paint, we are going to use orange from Hero Paints. Thank you very much, Hero Paints, for sponsoring this video. If you want to buy some Hero Paints, pumunta lang kayo sa Shopee or Lazada. Just type in sa search bar Hero Paints para makita niyo yung mga selection ng hobby paints na meron sila. And then next, mag-apply lang tayo. Mag-mix tayo ng white dun sa previous na mixture para makapag-add tayo ng lighter shade dun sa surface naman. So, ganun lang yung technique. Mag-add lang tayo ng layers and layers of paint dun sa surface. From dark to light. And then next, we are going to use water-based acrylic primer matte black para naman sa line art. So, sa technique na to, ginagamit ko yung mga natutunan ko rin sa comic book style of illustrations. Kung paano ako mag-drawing sa 2D or sa paper, ina-apply ko lang din dito sa 3D. So, we can use transition lines, comic book na style of lines, um, cross-hatching, yung mga feathering style. Yan, apply lang natin dito sa 3D. For even more finer lines, I'm going to use a Pilot Twin marker. So yun mga ma'am, sir, ma'am, tapos na tayo sa ating Iron Man Marvel Legends na Model 20 custom repaint project. Nag-apply din pala ako ng Bosny number 1-in-1 flat clear bago natin i-photoshoot para protected yung ating paint job na ginawa. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye!